Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing a comparison between JMeter and K6, which are a load testing tool. We are not going to decide which tool is better, but we will be looking into the options available in both the tools. What are the capabilities of both the tools? So JMeter is written in Java and K6 is written in Go language. Okay. And for the scripting, in JMeter, you use Groovy, Bean Shell, etc. And then in K6, it's purely into JavaScript. JMeter provides a GUI where you can create the scripts and do the test execution, whereas in K6 there is no GUI, it's purely programmatically, and you can write your program in any of the text editor. Okay, JMeter provides large set of protocol support, whereas in K6 there are a few limited supports of protocol. However, this list is growing. So we know, like, out of box, like JMeter is providing support for FTP, JDBC, LDAP, okay, and then SMTP, POP3 or IMAP support is also there. There is TCP/IP and then Java objects as well. Okay, as an external library, JMeter requires Java, whereas K6 does not require any of these external dependencies. However, JMeter capability can be increased using last set of plugins available in market. Also, like K6 has native supports of plugin, and even it has the support of external libraries as well. Okay, resource utilization. One load generator can simulate a few thousands of virtual users in JMeter, whereas in K6, it's, one load generator can simulate tens of thousands of virtual users. So typical, let's say, load generator in JMeter is somewhere around 1,000, and then in K6, it can be 10,000 from one virtual machine. Okay, so scripting is a little slow in JMeter because you have to do all these transaction and steps in JMeter, whereas in K6 it's very fast. It is a pure JavaScript program which you need to write. Okay, so it gives a great flexibility of plugins. You can configure your test in that manner. And in K6 also, there are supports of ramp-up phases and flexible loads as well. Okay, test results analysis, default custom HTML reports are available in JMeter, and we also have logging using the listeners. However, this process is little slow and memory consuming. Whereas in K6, there is no inbuilt report generator. However, it has very large set of, third-party or even the analytic tools which are available in market. It very well integrate with those tools. Okay, JMeter cannot be version controlled. Okay, the JMX files are not version control supported, whereas K6 is a JavaScript file. It is very much version controlled. Okay, you can do the distributed execution on both the JMeter and K6 tool. Load test monitoring is easy in JMeter. Okay, you can add listeners. However, it consumes memory, like we discussed. And in K6, there is no load test monitoring tool. However, you can do this using the paid version or the cloud version. collaboration become little difficult in JMeter because it is GUI supported and you are working in your GUI client. Uh, but this is very tester friendly. But in K6, you can very easily collaborate on the source code and then make the scripts. Okay, and it is set that it is a little developer friendly because you're doing the scripting in JavaScript. Okay, and script maintenance is uh, and kind of easy in both the tools, but more so like in K6, it is highly maintainable because it's a JavaScript code and there is no other dependencies involved there.